My name is Lawrence Mashonganyika. I'm very, very grateful for what the prophetess Ruth Makandiwa has done for us. Honestly, there are a lot of misconceptions that are out there pertaining us people who are living behind the walls. You see, a lot of people don't even need to associate with us. But what the prophetess and the UFIC have done today as a family, you see, we really appreciate such a gesture. There are a lot of people who follow the Christian way, but they don't show it on the ground. But what UFIC, being led by the prophetess Ruth Makandiwa, have done today, truly they've authenticated the gospel which they preach. And we just say, may God richly bless them in whatever they do. As inmates who are living behind the walls, the world outside there is already ostracized us. There is disenfranchised us. Some of us are not even remembered by our own relatives. But if somebody who is not even related to us is doing such kind of a thing, definitely we just say, may God richly bless them and bless whatever they do, even bless the ministry at large. You see, we thank God very much for what they've done unto us today. You know, we really appreciate these reading materials they've brought. When you're in prison, you'll be having a lot of time. And most of the times, that time will be so idle. People won't be having anything to do. So when we have these books to read, it will help us sometimes when we're in the cell, get something to occupy our mind and we won't be idle-minded. We also thank for the food they've brought today. Like you see, all the inmates are very having changing diet, we thank them very much. And today, we just say it's just a unique day for us.